Some breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court, and this is in the case of the Kerala government versus the governor. And the Supreme Court will examine the Kerala government's plea on the 6th of May. And this plea too is over the delay in the governor's nod to bills. The centre in the Supreme Court has said Kerala's plea is different from Tamil Nadu's. Now remember, in the Tamil Nadu case as well, where the state government had taken up the matter of how the governor was delaying and keeping in abeyance several bills. The Supreme Court had ruled in the favor of the state government. Let's go across to Nupur for more. Nupur, the centre saying that Kerala's plea different from Tamil Nadu's. Give us more details about this entire matter.
Well, this matter dates back to 2023. Like the Tamil Nadu government, Kerala government has also moved the Supreme Court alleging delay on the part of its governor in giving assent to crucial bills. Now, this case have been going on in the top court for quite some time. Previously also, when on the same day when the Tamil Nadu government's judgment came in, the advocate appearing for the Kerala government had urged the top court to list the same the plea in front of the same bench, as the matters are similar here, pleas are similar. Today also the bench that was hearing the case, the Kerala government has said that their petition should be allowed in terms of the Tamil Nadu judgment by the Supreme Court. They said that the similar questions are raised, and they were in fact seeking similar prayers, including guidelines on how the governor should act when reserving his assent or delivering the assent to the bill. Now the top court today, while hearing the case, asked the centre, asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to file a reply. However, Tushar Mehta said that these petitions should not be allowed without hearing them out, as they have slightly different grounds. Now, the Supreme Court has given May 6 as the date of hearing. So, after the conflict of Tamil Nadu governor versus the state government, now the Supreme Court will have to hear this case of Kerala governor versus the Kerala government over the delay in assent of bills. It will be important to see that on May 6, what the Supreme Court decides, or does it find that it is in fact a case similar to that of the Tamil Nadu governor, and does it again passes such an unprecedented order that it has passed already previously in the Tamil Nadu government's case.
All right, Nupur, thanks so much for bringing us all those details. So that is the Kerala government versus the governor, and the Supreme Court will continue hearing that matter.